Presidente da República e o Primeiro-Ministro Malazia Diskute asuntu Adezaun Timor-Leste, ASEAN Ekonomia Edukasaun no Konetividade.
Hafuento ia Timor-Leste tersane Primeiro-Ministro Malazia Anwar Ibrahim ho delegação continua quedang halau encontro ho Presidente da República Jorta ho reafirma relação amizade entre país ruane nomos quando paz no prosperidade e Sudeste Asiático. Presença chefe governo Malazia ho delegação e a Palácio Presidencial baru pitedili simo ho parada militar no tiro salva tuir protokolo estadunian. Encontro bilateral nebe lao kuaja orasi dan yalarane diskuti asuntu hanesan Adezaun Timor-Leste nian ASEAN nebe se oficialize fulang oin comércio no investimento, educação no habilidade, no mos conectividade no facilidade halo negócio nian.
Our discussions have been warm, constructive, focused on the future as we prepare for our historic accession to ASEAN this October in Kuala Lumpur. Malaysia's support partnership has been invaluable. We are committed to working closely with Malaysia and all ASEAN members to fulfill the remaining milestones on our path to full membership. We agreed to deepen our bilateral cooperation for the mutual benefit of our peoples. We will encourage greater Malaysian investment in key sectors like agribusiness, tourism, renewable energy. We will expand opportunities for our young people through education, vocational training in Malaysia. And we will work to improve connectivity between our countries, making travel and trade easier. Timor-Leste and Malaysia are more than just neighbors. We are partners in building a peaceful, prosperous, integrated, united Southeast Asia. I am confident that this visit will open a new, exciting chapter in our relations. Terima kasih.
Primeiro-Ministro Malazia hatu agradece ao Estado Timor-Leste, tama continua a relação metin ho Malazia, hahu queda se tempo kungan to hinloran. Governante Malazia ne afirma continua apoia Timor-Leste e a setor hotu liu Adezaun ASEAN.
I'm also pleased that Petronas has agreed to participate in this effort together with many of our private sector companies. Because I think your accession to ASEAN is, of course, a matter of time, and that Malaysia has to play this part because you are in the region, you have been building that consensus, you have shared ASEAN values and determination, you are a fervent fighter for the cause of freedom and justice, and therefore the accession of Timor-Leste to ASEAN will be of immense benefit to us all. And of course, we begin by just geopolitical considerations, but you can deepen through economic investment and cultural issues, which we think can be further enhanced. So thank you again, my dear friend, and thank you for all the years of support and concern, and we will certainly have a big celebration for your accession to ASEAN in October 2025. Terima kasih.
Fuano infali katak Primeiro-Ministro Malazia honi a delegação mai Timor-Leste tamahetang convite o Presidente da República Jorta no Primeiro-Ministro Kairala Sanan Guzmão o objetivo atu troca hanuin konaba preparação adesão formal Timor-Lestenian ASEAN debe se realize lorong ron resinen fulang outubro e a Kuala Lumpur Malazia. Nunemos atu hametin relação bilateral no cooperação econômica, social no cultural entre Malazia no Timor-Leste e a futuro. Agustinho da Costa, GMN.